Welcome to our class today. Today we'll be wrapping up Microsoft Word for Intermediate. So we are starting with Intermediate today and finish it off today. If you've been with us so far, you've learned a lot about Microsoft Word. In case you've not been with us, we are just watching this class, you've not watched others, please kindly go back and watch others. If you're in my group, where I teach computer basics for beginners, then you can simply send me a message from my WhatsApp group or my personal WhatsApp message. I'll reply you with the playload for all the rest. Okay, so you have all the rest and watch them and then be in touch with this. So we're going to learn today. Today we want to learn about how you can use apps and Play Store, or you call it Store, in Microsoft Word. What are the advantage? What can they help you? Watch out as we go through this. So for us to go there, you could click on your insert. When you click on insert, it will open. If you check up here, you see my apps. You also see store. That's the two areas we're going to work on today. So if I click on my store on my app, it will open like this. And the dialog box that open, you also see my apps, I also see store. Now, what are things in my apps and what are they used for? There are so many things in the apps that can help you in your Microsoft Word journey when you are writing in Microsoft Word. For example, you have the best apps of the year. They will show you the best apps of the year. You see all of them and choose the one you like. You also have the communication app. You also have the document review app. I told you about document review. And you also have editor's picks. You also have apps for education. So there are various apps that you have in Microsoft Word. You also have your Wikipedia. You also have your Quibbot. Quibbot is very essential, especially for those of us who are copywriters. Maybe you're a copywriter in Microsoft Word. After writing your text, you can use Quibbot to paraphrase your write-up, to check for plagiarism, and so many other things you can think of. So all these apps are very essential for you. But personally, there are some that I love so much, and I want to show you these ones each time I'm working in Microsoft Word. I always make use of these apps, okay? And I'm going to show you them one after the other. For us to start with, I'm going to show you the first apps that I always like in Microsoft Word, and that apps to be the picky mode apps. Okay, let's go over it, and I will show you in a jiffy what the apps is all about. If you check, okay, okay, so let's close this up. I will go back there, and I will show you the apps that I am talking about. So if you check, I have about 3 of the apps that I use specially. One of them is symbol and characters. Another one is Dribble for plagiarism checker, and another one is Pro Word Cloud. I'm going to teach you these 3 apps right now. And remember, there are various apps that you can also use apart from these 3. So what about Pro Word app? What is the work of a Pro Word apps? Let's go over there to the store and search for Pro Word apps. Come to the store, click on search, and look for Pro Word apps. I just hope my spelling is correct. Okay. Yes, Pro Word Cloud is there. So you click on add. Let's add this. In the moment we add it, we see the work that this does. Now I've added my Pro Word Cloud. If you check here, what is asking you? Look, you want to change the font size. You want to add a color, any color that you like. So I prefer the default color, but you can change the color if you want to. Just scroll here and then choose the color that you like. Okay. Then you can also preserve the case or change the case as you want to. That all lowercase, all uppercase, intelligent case, and all that. Then you can also go through and choose a max width, maybe 100 or 200, and the size to be 800 or whatever. Okay. Now this app has a goal. The goal is that the app will help you to bring out all the words that you've repeated and then analyze it for you and for others to see. For example, for that app to work, let's come over here. Let me just choose from here to here. You have to select after putting your sizes and the rest of them here. You come over to the particular paragraphs or paragraph that you want that to show. You select it. The moment you finish selecting, you click on Create Word Cloud. And in a jiffy, it's going to create word cloud for you. And this is it. Now copy it. Let's copy it. Then you come over here and then you paste it. Review for paste if you remember, if you've been with us for a long time. Now, what did this app do? If you check very well, so you will learn the basics of computer hardware. Basis was repeated severally. See, basis was repeated severally. We was repeated severally. See, we repeated severally. Learn was repeated severally. See, learn. If you check here, you see, you learn, it's repeated severally. So all the words based on how it is repeated, you show it bigger or smaller. So from here, you can easily see the words that you repeat. So you see the ones that were repeated and how lengthy or small it is that is repeated. So this is one of the best. You can actually use this to analyze your word, be like very beautiful, and send it in case people need it. Now, apart from what if you are a mathematician? Maybe you are doing math calculation. Sometimes, of course, I know that here you have symbol for mathematics. You can easily scroll and select symbols here. In case I've not teach you, so this is where you get your symbol from. Insert, you go to symbol, you get all the symbol for math. Okay, you're like s plus n bracket to power n, and this is summation of this for those who are mathematics teacher. This symbol is very, very important for you. But most times you are looking for a symbol and you don't know how to get the symbol. Or you come to another one, this equation, sorry, you look for equation, you don't know how to get the equation. Or maybe symbol, you don't know how to get the symbol, you click on the symbol. Let's go to more symbols. And it brought us so many symbols like this. You are searching, trying to get the one. Of course, Microsoft apps and store will always come handy and will help you in that regard. So the next one we're going to go to is talk about all symbol. Let's go over there to Microsoft Word app and check about all symbol. So how do you get that? Same thing that we did before now. You go to your app store or your apps, click on it, and it opens for you. And you go to what's it called? Symbol and character. Don't forget the name, symbol, and character. Okay. We also have equation links. So that also help a lot. But mine doesn't have it now. But with that one, you can also draw your symbol. So you click on it, and it will also appear here for you. So what is this work? You see, it makes it easy for you to choose any of the symbols that you want to use. You can easily choose any of them. If you want to have summation, without you having to start looking for it here and there. The Microsoft apps make these things easy for you. So let's say you are doing 1 plus 1 or this or 1/4 or equation or so anything math symbol. Just come over here and click on the one you're looking for. If you don't see the one you're looking for, you can also draw the symbol. Okay, you can also draw the symbol. You can also change the languages. Okay, you can change the languages to the language that you want to use for this. Okay, and you can also look at the subset of it and choose the subset. So for those of you who are mathematics teacher, this symbol is very, very handy. I will employ you to try your best to go over this symbol, learn them one by one, and then see what you can gain from it. Now, let's also talk about teacher again. Let's say you're a teacher and you give an assignment to your student. And probably some of them went and copywriters. Probably they just went for net, download everything from the net, and pass it to you like that. Of course, there's a way you can find out. Okay, to find out in your Microsoft Word, immediately you put all the weddings or the write up in Microsoft Word, you go for your Play Store and look for Drip Plagiarism Checker. Okay, we have Drip Plagiarism Checker, we have Copyright Plagiarism Checker. So any of them can work for you. But my system cannot show Copyright Plagiarism Checker right now, but of course I have Drip Plagiarism Checker. So how do we do it? As usual, go to your store. From your store, you search for Drip Plagiarism Checker. Okay, Drip Plagiarism Checker. Let's type it out. First of all, I will employ you to search for Copyright Plagiarism Checker. When you don't have it, then you can think of Drip Plagiarism Checker. Why I prefer Copyright Plagiarism Checker is because for Copyright Plagiarism Checker, of course, for any of this to work, you have to sign in. Okay, you have to sign to a Microsoft account, maybe your Gmail account. When you sign up with them, and you come over here and you add the screenplay checker. When you add it, or you add that your copyright plagiarism checker, you'll be able to check all the plagiarism. It show you percentages of the one that was copied from online, each percentage is stage by stage, set by set. And apart from that, there are so many other things you can do, like consistency checker. You want to check the consistency of the word for English teachers, okay? And also you want to check the compatibility checker for centralized deployment, or for reef and write. So anything you're thinking of that has to do with plagiarism checker, you can actually come over to App Store and make use of it. So let's click on Dreambit plagiarism checker. As you are anyone you want, the same process, just click on add and it will be added to you. Click on continue. When you click on continue, it's going to open up for you. Okay, tell it to open up for you. It will ask you some few questions, you answer them, and then all this write-up, as we want to check for plagiarism for this write-up, it will show you all the plagiarism that is done on this write-up. So all these are handy for you to use in Microsoft Word. Okay, we've done Pro Word Count, we've done Dribble Plagiarism Checker, we have Symbol and Character, and we also told that there are many more, many more. For example, we talk about education or different categories, unit category you're looking for. So lay your hands on them, do more research on them, and make full use of them. Thank you so much for listening to us today. This is not the end of our class for Microsoft Word, but for now, I want to pause Microsoft Word and then move on to Excel because we've taught you a lot of Microsoft Word, but we're still going to teach you more. But let's go to Excel and show you what you can learn in Excel. And then we can come over to Microsoft Word and also take it along with the odd more things we learn in Excel and then move on to PowerPoint. So we have a lot to learn with us. And that is why every week we try our best to publish at least 2 videos on our channels. So if you're in our group now, WhatsApp group, I encourage you to join now so I can be able to interact with us. Okay. But if you're not there, if you're watching us directly from YouTube or from Facebook or TikTok, anywhere you are watching us from, try to subscribe with us. Subscribe to the notification button so I get time release any video, any tutorial, you'll be able to be the first to see it. And that's also a way of telling us thank you for what we're doing. Remember, we're doing all these things for you for free. Okay, and more people will also like to learn all these things. So subscribe, the notification button, likes it, share it with your friends, your schoolmates, your classmates, your faculty teachers. Let them learn about how to use Microsoft Word. Remember, we are still going to Google Drive. If you check very well, most of the things I'm bringing out, I don't have it on this Microsoft Word because as for me, I've stopped using Microsoft Word for some time now. I use it, but not like that. I make use of Google. So by the time I go to Google Docs and the rest of them, you will see that a lot you are going to learn from Google Docs. Okay, so we are going far. Remember, we ended up with robotics, AI. So you have a lot to learn. Subscribe to this channel. Support us by clicking the notification button, liking it, sharing it. See you in our next class. Bye.